Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a new tab groups on Safari on your iPhone. So for example, here's the group. There is 7 tabs in here, and then I want to create a new tab group, so tap there and then tap new empty tab group, and then you have to enter a name for this tab group. This tab group will sync across all your devices. So for example, my name is example, and then tap on save. And now this is my new tab groups, and then I can add more groups, more tabs there, and that's it. So this is my previous group, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.